Guys, you want to know, so I mix up the date. The wedding is actually tomorrow, so I just called the bride a while ago. She's like, you're outside? What? Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Aisha. Today will be a vlog. So I'm currently my morning start from a long time, to be honest. I woke up 5 o'clock this morning and I did 2 faces, but me never record that. So early in the morning, so tired, I didn't even take any videos or pictures of the people to show you how I was just so tired, but their face is slayed. Okay, so it's now 9 o'clock and I am currently at Terranova for a wedding. I'm supposed to be, yeah, it's now 8:53. So yeah, I'm gonna get my bags out the car or the trunk, and then I'm gonna call, or I should probably call from now. I'm gonna call the bride and head in. I have 3 persons to do, and then after that I have a few errands to run. So I have another bridge that I was telling you guys about, and it popped out on me a road, so I'm gonna get that fixed, because as I said, in the weeks to come I'm gonna be on the road, hotels, fun, yeah, I'm gonna be outside. So that specific Bridget will go well with an outfit that I have. Hopefully it reach in time, because I ordered it late, so hopefully, I'm not lie, hopefully it reach, because I really and truly, it's my fault. I'm not gonna go around, it's my fault. As I said, I'll be doing running some errands, getting that shoes fixed, and then what else am I have? I'm collecting some packages, which is not the clothes. I'm collecting some other packages from a shipping company. Well, I think I'll be going to both shipping companies. Yeah, the 2 shipping companies now I'm telling about, I'll be going to those shipping companies today. I just need to check if my package is ready with the second one. And if yes, so collecting all packages today, and then we're heading to well, no, I'll probably do the shoes and do the sandals, get the sandals fixed, and then head to the shipping companies afterwards, or leave it, because I think them normally say give them a little bit, leave it, and then I go to the shipping companies and then I head back to collect the sandals. So y'all gonna see it. It's just that, to be honest, Bridgets are nice, but them just, it's like right now the price I go up for it, the prices are getting higher for them, but the quality is depleting. So the price is going up, but the quality is depleting. That's how Bridget is nowadays. I don't know if nobody else see it for me alone, but that's really it. Guys, you want to know, so I mix up the date. The wedding is actually tomorrow, so I just called the bride a while ago. She's like, you're outside? What? I mixed up the date. So I normally ask people to book their appointments through my app. Like, that's why I normally enforce it, but I always like ask people for book their appointment, because I might make an error. Like, and I'm sure when you make your appointment, you know what you want, and then I can review it and agree to it, right? But instead I did it for her, and I was probably just rushing. I'm gonna put the wrong date, and because I did that, now I actually have a nail appointment tomorrow. I have a lunch date planned for tomorrow. I have makeup appointment for tomorrow. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I forgot try if I shuffle up and see how we can match this up, because this is crazy. can't believe it. I cannot believe it. But mix up the date. I try. I saw it going on. I saw it go. I would not be the only makeup artist or the first makeup artist to mix up the date. So I'm gonna feel no way. Whatever. I saw it go. We move. Okay. So I'm gonna try reshuffle. Let's try shuffle around the thing and see how things will work. I mean, the lunch is definitely on, or brunch date or whatever. But in terms of a nail appointment, is literally the same time as the wedding. So it's literally the same time as the wedding. So I'm going to have to see how we can shuffle around the nail appointment. Unfortunately, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm currently at the heel bar. Yeah, currently at the heel bar. Let's see how this thing works. If them can sort out little Bridget's for me. It's in the trunk, so I gotta get in the trunk to get it. So I got it. Got it. So here we go. So yeah, the regular. I don't even know what this is. I think it's ATR. So we decided to take I decided to take a stop at Lemon House to get some breakfast. So here we are. Alright guys, so I am back in the car. Ooh, the time out, man. So I got my package from one of the companies because the other one never opened yet, and I'm open 10:30 and me couldn't wait so long. I could not wait because I got there after 10. Couldn't wait till 10:30. So I grabbed the patty for me and hubby. I got him a fish patty. Listen, he asked for curry goat and they didn't have any curry goat, so I decided to let him try the fish. I don't know if he would be so enthused, but I have never tried the fish, so I'm gonna make him try the fish so we can taste it, right? Get it? Okay, girls, like, get it, okay? And yeah, I went to, as I told you guys, I went to discount and I bought some stuff, just some little 1 and 2 knickknacks. So I find, really and truly, all I went in there to buy was my shoulder. This duo lash glue, right? Because I'm running low and I'm gonna need it. That's all I went in there to buy. Tell me why I'm gonna come out a discount with all of them something here, like a whole bag full of stuff. Listen, the line was so long and they had the line like stretching. Like if you know discount on Constant Spring Road in Kings Plaza, you know how the line would like stretch to one of the shelves around the side. And it's just so funny how we were in the line and we just have pick things off of the shelf. And I saw come end up with a bag full of stuff. I'm gonna head home right now. Oops, belt nearly cut me. Alright, so I'm gonna head home right now and eat my patty and pray to Jesus, because yeah. So I'll see you guys soon, probably tomorrow when because okay guys, so I finally got through to my nail tech. So she decided she actually helped me out and switch up the days them for me. So instead of doing the makeup, well, not the makeup, but instead of doing my nails tomorrow, I'll be doing it Wednesday evening instead. which works out better for me because, as I said, I'll be going out, and that's closer to the time that I'll be going out. So yeah, but I have the wedding tomorrow morning 9 o'clock, and then I have another client right after the wedding, and then we have brunch. So y'all will be coming with me as per usual. So guys, I'm actually here on the day that I'm supposed to be. I'm at Terra Nova for the wedding. Shift up some things that will make it happen, you know. So I'm about to go inside, about to go meet the bride, and then quickly head to my studio for another makeup session, and then we go out later. So we catch up with it. And I think I'm gonna be videoing some of the makeup today. So yeah, so come. Guys, me this on my way to Reach. We're going to Saffron, the bestie and I. We're not gonna meet the original best friend today. I am here and trying to figure out where Arcadia Park, but we'll get to that. Guys, remember my little Bridget's. See it come in handy now, wanna see? It's tying with what me I wear today. So yeah, a nice little blouse, same pants that I was wearing from earlier when I go do the makeup. That is it for the restaurant date. So I will be heading home now. Tired. I'm so tired. Absolutely tired. And then I have work tomorrow, so you know how that go. But we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna try to get as much sleep as possible tonight, so we can, you know, be good tomorrow. And thank you, of course. Good point, Stan.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me.
Guys, I'm showing you all this real quick. I got the hair from Miss Coco. Got it in this drawstring bag. Actually, I got it in a box, but I will be taking it to the hairdresser to get a sewing done. So yeah, in the bag I got this. I got a comb as well, which I took out. I got this headband thingy to lay your edges. I got this little card here. It's thank you card. It's not mine because my edges want to touch up, well, my hair wants to touch up to match bundles. So I got 3 bundles, 3 18-inch bundles, right? 3 18-inch bundles, and this is the double the double weft here. It's really good. I wish I could take it out the bag to show you guys, but I really but I have the time right now. But the double weft is really, where is it, double weft, a double something. I mean, if I'll put it somewhere below, the exact name of it. So in essence, it's thick from the tip here to down the bottom here. It's the same thickness. So you know, normally bundles, you find that they're thick at the base, but then when you're getting to the end part, you thin out. So yeah, these are what I got from, I got 3 bundles, 3 18-inch bundles. I'm gonna do a sewing with them today and show you all how that works out for me. So yeah, so this is what I got from Miss Coco here. If you all like how my sewing turned out, but if you guys like how my sewing turns out, which you'll be seeing in the next clip, then you can head on over to Miss Coco. Just type in Miss Coco in Google, or I think I'll probably link it below, and check them out. All right.
But it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Wake up for you, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
By the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut down.